2 trains in one video.
Woo!
See, you got 2 trains in one video.
I know! This is dedicated to Jacob, the Elevator Channel. Whoa, guys! How long is this train, Virginia? Virginia, how long is this train? This is a freight train. Gotta zoom in. Virginia, can I get closer? Hey, I'm gonna get that in my channel.
You got it.
Guys, I'm taking a video. When is it end of the train, Virginia? Virginia. When is it the end of the train? When is Virginia? The train gone. Hey Virginia, when is the train gone?
Alina, look at your ugly face. What are you doing? Get out of here. You go? Mommy? Yeah, you're not coming.
The train's almost gone, you guys. You don't have to worry about it.
Avery, you want me to post it on YouTube?
Oh yes, please. Just in one video, Virginia.
Oh my god, is that me? My hair was growing. I remember the mama video.
Hey Virginia, when is the train gone?
Yeah, it's a long train, I don't know. Do you want to picture me? Is that what you want?
Nah, I can take it.
I have 2 kids. Only one person.
I recorded one train.